Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi, everybody. I'm James Cebulski. Along with Ray Ferraro, we are so looking forward to the action in this one tonight. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Opening face-off is set to go. Referee Shilevek is ready to drop the puck. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Right in front of the net. Thunderous use of the body of the hit. Team Belarus is moving it up the ice. Belarus has it against the half wall. Nice poke check. Here's a short pass to Krejci. Back to the point it goes. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Takes the feed. Scrum ensues along the boards. Krejci's going to play it against the half wall. A chance in front. He scores!
I don't think anybody's really settled into the game yet, and already we have the game's first goal. Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Team Czech Republic's made their way back to center ice here, and they've got that 1-0 lead.
The road is a funny place to play. You can't really be too aggressive, but when you get an early lead, James, you can open it up a little bit.
Czech Republic's got it along the wall. Team Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. Scores!
Just 20 seconds apart. That's a pair of goals.
You take a timeout here on the other side.
I would have taken one then, and I'd take another one now. That's a scorer's goal right there. That puck is on and off his stick in a hurry. He's so tight to the net, he has to get rid of it before the goalie can readjust.
We're still in the early stages of this period. Czech Republic's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. Team Czech Republic's got the puck. Kempny's got it into offensive territory. Here's a blast! Oh, what a stop! Can't maintain possession after that hit. Delayed penalty coming up here. Moves it around along the half wall. Gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Whistle blown, stopping the play. Hurdles going off for charging.
Pretty good call here, James. He just traveled a little bit too far to deliver the hit.
Team Belarus is sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
I always felt on the power play the first one was really important for any team. If you stumble around on the first power play, guys start to press as you get more and more of them through the game.
Gets it out of his own end. Over the line they come. Here's the pass. Move to the middle. Scores! The power play delivers big time.
Puck moved quickly. The players moved quickly. That's a terrific goal, taking advantage of the extra man. It doesn't happen very often on the power play, but they get out on an odd man rush, move the puck around well, and score on a rush.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. Belarus has really picked up the tempo over the last few minutes, but they still need another goal to tie. Puck picked up by Ronick. Now over to Saka. Moves it to Palat. Centering pass in front. A rocker off the blocker. Team Belarus has got the puck in the defensive end. Makes it look easy with a glove.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Czech Republic's offense is off to a good start here in the early goings. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. And it's a quick pass to Palat. Kasha's got the puck from the back end. And he connects with the long bomb. And that slides right out to center ice. Team Czech Republic's, he scores! 80s hockey night here.
Oh, I love the 80s. You score, I score, you score, I score. And you hope at the end of the night, you got the bigger number. A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
Czech Republic's been the better team to this point, and the stats show it. Off the try, and a nice job locking up his opponent. And the puck's back on his blade here at center. Centered out in front, and that's broken up with a stick in front. He got all of that one.
Yeah, sending a message early there, James. He gets the body contact.
Looks to set up at the point now. Denied by the goaltender. Moves it quickly over to Hansel. And we've got a 2-on-1. Oh, a clutch save! In front, the puck stopper gets on top, but we'll get a little stoppage in play here, Ray.
Yep, goalies are going to jump on it as quick as they can anytime around the front of the net. He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. Team Czech Republic's got a 2-goal lead. They'd love to build on it. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Belarus has possession of it now. From his own end, he picks up the puck. Czech Republic's ready to go on the attack. Takes that pass back at the point. Shot! Big-time save with the blocker! Picks it up, and they turn on the pressure. Oh, and another big stop!
Oh, he followed the puck really well there. A couple of good stops.
Big-time defensive play. Here they come on the attack. Into the corner of the attacking area. Skates in behind the cage. Quick feed to Hurdle. Puck knocked loose after that hit. Takes the shot. Misses. Team Belarus has got the puck along the boards. Takes a nice feed up through the middle now. Lets it go with the stop. Team Czech Republic still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Looks to pass it to Pasternak. Moves the puck. Shot wide of the net.
Oh, man, he's frustrated with himself. He's got to get that on the net.
Back to the blue line. Great read to break up the play. Carries it in. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Pass back to the point. And that's blocked away. Makes the save on the slapper. Czech Republic's got it in their own zone. Voracek's got the puck. Centering pass! Knocked away. Can't maintain possession. And he slides it quickly to Ronick. Nice pass. Takes the feed at the back end. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. On the attack along the boards. Team Czech Republic's got a hold of it along the wall. Chaka's carrying it ahead. Snaps one here in the slot, and that goes off a player in front. Manages to hang on. Saucers it tape to tape. Pass right in front, and that one's broken up. They've got numbers. Slides it across. Read it perfectly. He's got a little jump. He's in all alone. What a save on the play. More than half the period has expired. Been a pretty good offensive display, at least for one side. 3-1 is where we sit. Hansel's won the draw. Hammers the shot, and that shot dies in traffic. Up the neutral zone now. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Keeps hold of the puck. Taken by Hansel. Hansel's got it on the offensive end. Here's a short pass to Schimmick. Blast from the blue line. Makes the save. Along the wing up the neutral zone. With possession along the wall. Into the corner now. Takes the feed. A little rock'em sock'em on the play. And that one's stopped. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Backhander. Stopped by the goaltender. And that one's picked off. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Belarus looks to break out in their own end. We got a penalty coming up here on the play. Whistle stops the play. Charging the call, it was almost like he was seeing red out there.
He might as well have yelled to the ref, I'm going to run through this guy, because as soon as he turned, the ref is looking at a big hit that's going to happen.
Pretty obvious. Another scoring opportunity looms here.
Hey, another power play for them. They've been successful tonight. I don't think they changed the script much here.
And manages to clear the zone. Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Handles the pass into the middle of the ice. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Deep inside the defensive zone, trying to clear the puck. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, that's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
Takes the pass from the left wing. Receives the pass. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Good hit. With some momentum driving towards the net. Makes the save.
Really good save. Control the rebound. Get it into the corner where you can reestablish yourself.
And the goalie leaves his crease to play the puck. One last rush here on this power play. Carries it across the line. Back at the point, they set it up. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Gets it out of his own end. Both sides back to even strength. A great effort by the penalty killers there.
The only positive for the power play there is they didn't have to skate up and down the ice. They didn't generate anything. They had it in the zone, but really nothing very good about it.
Rocked on the play. Good battle along the boards for the puck. Jabs the puck away. Referee signals penalty coming up here with a delayed call. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Let's see what the officials are calling. And it looks like 2 minutes in the box for holding will be the call here.
Well, he's got a mitt full of the guy's sweater. It's tough to argue
That's
that
fair
one.
to say. They'll go back to work on their special teams.
I like what they've done on the power play previously here, and so they really want to duplicate what they've done. They have to be aware the penalty killers will probably change approach. They have to be sharp for that.
And manages to clear the zone. Moves the puck from off the bank pass. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Here's a chance on the doorstep. Nice save by the goaltender to get a pad on that. Here in the dying moments of this period, it's a 2-goal lead we're looking at with the score 3-1. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Belarus gets the puck near the boards. Taken down, and the officials caught it. Here comes the call. Krejci's going off to the box for 2 minutes. Played with fire, he got burned, Ray.
He's digging around for the puck, and sometimes you just get caught. This time the player goes down and he's got to go to the box.
A huge opportunity for the power play unit here. A 5-on-3 as we get set to drop the puck.
Too often a 5-on-3 is not as dangerous as it should be because the guys are looking for the perfect play. Every time you have a man advantage, you have to have in your mind, you have to outwork the penalty killers.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Handles it along the blue line. Shuts him down. Here's a shot. Gets a glove on it to make the stop. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Scores!
The power play had cashed in earlier. They do so again here. Really nice effort with the extra man. Wow, did he snap that back clean. It's right on the tape of the shooter, and he hammers it home.
In the final moments of this period, Team Belarus has shown a new energy over these last few minutes. They got one back, but they still need one more in order to tie. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Beautiful stop with the stick.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Up along the wing. Here's a chance right in the slot. Here's an offensive chance. And puts it anywhere but the way he wanted it to go.
Most dangerous place on the ice, and he can't capitalize.
Sends the pass over. And a great job by the shorthanded unit those last few moments as the penalty expires.
No, not much they're going to be able to do about that. The power play failed. Now they go back to even strength.
And a solid job tying up his opponent. Gets control of the puck here in his own end. Move to the middle. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat.
I don't mind the attempt here. They're behind in the game. You got to take a chance once in a while with the puck.
Along the half wall with the puck. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end. Inside the final minute of the first here. And now he moves it quickly to Gudas. Slides it back to the blue line. With the blast. And comes up empty. Belarus takes possession of the puck. From off the wall and onto a stick. Throws it in. Czech Republic's got a hold of it against the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Snaps it on net. Glove save. And an easy one at that.
We often talk about a goalie's reflexes. You've got to have quick hands to make a glove stop like that.
Well, that'll do it for an entertaining opening 20 minutes of hockey as the horn sounds. Well, batten down the hatches. If the first period was any indication, we are in for a shootout tonight. It's 3-1 after 20. As both teams get a breather, so will we. We'll take a quick pause for the cause. Second period set to get underway. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
Team Belarus has made this game pretty hard on themselves. They've had the puck a lot, but they keep turning it over. Don't turn it over. They're only trailing by one, however.
Voracek's got it across the line. Into the corner. And that's picked off in front. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Moves it around along the half wall. Stopped by the goaltender. Slides the puck over. Referee signaling for a penalty. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Here comes the official's call. Krejci's going off for hooking.
It doesn't take very long to get on the wrong side of the plate. You're a step behind. You've got to slow that guy down. You can't catch him. Maybe you can get away with a hook. Not here.
Just tried to play catch-up and got burned. Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Well, good news for them as they trail by one. They get a power play. The key here, though, James, is to be confident without pressing. Just get the puck to the net. Make the penalty killer stress.
Knocked away. Booming shot. And he stands tall in goal. And manages to clear the zone. Team Belarus has gained possession along the boards. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Scores! A short-handed goal!
Well, you're just trying to kill the penalty off. This is terrific work as they take advantage of a little bit of a bobble and they go ahead and capitalize short-handed. You make a mistake that big, there's only one place you're going to find the puck. Yeah, that's in your net. That's where the puck is.
Team Czech Republic's got an insurance marker here. They now lead by 2 in the second.
Don't back off, though. Keep pushing ahead. Play the game in the offensive half of the ice.
And now it's grabbed by Šimik. Faxa's got it in the offensive zone. To his teammate. Puts it on goal. Oh, and he completely blew it on that miss.
Yeah, you got to get it on the net, James. You've got an opportunity to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
And now he angles it across to Voracek and makes the save. Grabs the puck right in front and tries to escape the pressure. Oh, smart heads-up play to poke that one away. Gets it out of his own end. Belarus has it near the wall. On the attack along the boards. Both teams back to even strength, and after giving up a short-handed goal, it's an opportunity the power play unit would probably sooner forget.
Well, that doesn't go according to plan. The power play's done, and they've given up a shorty. Those are always deflating.
Moves up near the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Blocker save. Czech Republic's regained possession of the puck. Lots of time left in this period. Team Czech Republic's been the better team here over the last few minutes, increasing their lead to 2. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Puck grabbed by Hurdle. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Quick pass to Vrana. Vrana's got it along the boards. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Puck scooped up by Kempny. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Palat swooping in on the attack. Here's an odd man rush. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Puck sent across the blue line. Comes up with the stop. Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. 4-2 is the score. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Slides that one right across the blue line. Obstruction penalty coming up. Looks like a hook here. Palat's got it against the boards. And he sprints to the bench to get the extra attacker out on the ice. Time for the official to pass down his sentence. And it's going to be 2 minutes for hooking on the call. A lot of people debate, is this a lazy penalty, the hook?
I don't know if it's lazy all the time, but it's a penalty of being out of position. Your stick's parallel to the ice, you get called all the time.
Our first look tonight at their power play unit.
Their first power play of the night. They've worked on it, and it starts with the face-off. Win the draw, start moving the puck quickly before you shoot it.
With authority, pokes it away in his own end, and manages to clear the zone. Czech Republic's looking to break out of their own end. Team Czech Republic's got possession at center. Phenomenal save with the glove to knock it away.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Gets it out of his own end. Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. Takes it across the blue line. Shot, and he comes up with it. No, he scores! He thought he had it, but it must have gone off him. It's in the net, and that's a goal.
Oh, he looked like he had stopped it, and when he couldn't quite find it, he turns around and bangs it into his own net. That's a tough one.
Team Czech Republic's quickly filling up the highlight reel shows for later this evening, Ray.
They are, even though it's in the second period still, they have scored almost at will tonight.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Rocks him on the play. Trying to get back on the attack now. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Gudas has the puck against the half wall. Sends a pass over. Moves it to Gudas. And he slides it quickly to Gudas. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Move to the middle. Here's a backhander. Way too much congestion blocks that. And there's the save.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
More than half the period left to play. Czech Republic's been showing relentless pressure lately, now up by 3. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Big time stop. Long lead pass into the open ice. From the slot, wrist shot, stones him in front. Puck picked up by Frolik. Taken by Ronick. And now it's over to Faxa. Handles the puck. Snaps it onto the net. Scores! On the rebound, he pots it.
That's how you score in tight. Take the rebound, take the gift, and put it away right in the top of the net.
Team Czech Republic's been dominant tonight as they make their way back to center.
They have scored almost at will, in particular here in this second period.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. Moves it quickly over to Verana. Over the line they come. Takes the pass from the boards. Takes the pass. Quick feed to Ronick. Now a quick pass to Ronick. And it's a quick pass to Verana. And he slides it quickly to Ronick. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Strong defensive effort. Feeds it down low. With possession along the wall. Here's a short pass to Hurdle. Great defensive stick work on the play. Into the offensive end now. Sends it over. Puts it on net. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it. Here they come on the attack. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Great read to break up the play.
Czech Republic's done an excellent job tonight being in the passing lanes. They've intercepted a pile of passes. One of the reasons they're way up in this game.
Takes the feed at the point. Takes a wrist shot. Grabs it with the glove.
That's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here.
Czech Republic's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Takes the pass to the offensive zone. Flips it at the net, and that one flies over the net. Team Belarus has got a hold of it along the wall.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Team Czech Republic's got the puck along the wall. Gives them nothing in front.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
A chance from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender. Past the halfway mark of this period. Hansel's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Great positioning in the defensive end. They've got the defense outnumbered. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a reaction. And some fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. Along the half wall with the puck. Strong hit on the play. Frolik's gaining momentum. Here they are on the attack. Takes the shot. Stopped by the goaltender. And now he moves it quickly to Gudas. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Denies him. He got all of it.
Kempny's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get leveled.
Czech Republic's had the better scoring opportunities and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Pasternak's got it along the wing. Quick pass to Voracek. Takes the feed from his own end. Moves it around along the half wall. Just rocked on the play.
Man, you hear the old term bone jarring? That one had to hurt. The boards are still moving from that collision.
Comes up with the stop.
Team Czech Republic's been so aggressive. They take it away all the time and space from their opponents, and they've stretched their lead.
Team Czech Republic's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. From one-point man to another. Here's a shot with the tip. You'll need more than that to beat him. Carries it in. Takes the feed. Knocked away. Czech Republic's got the puck inside the defensive zone and tries to make a diagonal pass to Palat. Grabbed along the boards by Krejci. Right to the middle, and that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And he slides it quickly to Polak. Passes right to the front, takes a bank in front, and somehow, some way, he comes up with a stop with his glove.
Right from the most dangerous area on the ice, the goalie flashes the glove. That's an arrogant stop.
Team Czech Republic's been an impressive club to watch tonight, especially offensively, as they lead big here late in the second. Quick feed to Šimik. Centered out in front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Here's a shot, and he makes the save. Czech Republic's been dominating at all ends of the ice, especially offensively here late in the second. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Polak's lugging the puck. Slides it across to Palat. Carries it across the line. Moves it to Saka. Stops the rocket of a shot. Team Czech Republic's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Lets it go. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. And the official signaling for hooking on the play.
Got to move your feet here. You're chasing the play. As soon as you stop your feet, you're going to get called.
And they'll roll the power play unit right back out.
If your power play's successful, you can really take the wind out of the other guys. You've been successful all right with the man advantage. See if you can get another one.
Pass right back. And they'll dump it in. Czech Republic's got a hold of it against the wall. Voracek's got it into offensive territory. Moves it quickly over to Voracek. Scrum along the boards. And some good footwork to kick it away. Loses possession after he takes a little hit. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Belarus has it in the defensive end. And that's broken up with a stick in front.
1 minute left.
Second frame almost done. Well inside a minute now. Rocks him. Power play set to expire. One last chance here, Ray.
Yeah, quick entry will give them some time in the offensive zone.
Handles the puck at the point. Drives it to the front of the net.
Well, the power play melts away. They don't get anything on it. I don't think it's particularly important because they've got such a nice lead here. They just want to run the clock out.
8 seconds. Good hit to knock the puck loose. 4 seconds left. Referee's hand goes quick into the air. It looks like a high sticking call coming up. And the offensive onslaught will come to an end as the clock runs out, bringing the period to a close.
Programs for tonight's game are available on the concourse. Featuring complete
Third period just around the corner. Ray and I will be ready to bring all the action in moments. Team Belarus' special team set to go to work here on the power play. Oh, wide of the net.
He misses again. He's had so many chances. He's got nothing to show for it.
Belarus skins a hold of the puck against the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Tried to make a move and the puck hops away. With the stop. Team Czech Republic's got control of the puck. Right out front, and that one's broken up. They'll want to clear the zone here while they're trying to kill off this penalty. Simic's going to play it against the half wall. And now he passes it to Polak. Now a quick pass to Simic. Hammers a shot, makes the save, and putting out the fire in front. It's a 2-on-1. Lets one go. Blocker save, and he's showing up big time tonight. Centering pass. Puts it on net. Nothing. Here's an opportunity to clear the zone. And they get it out of the zone. And where are they headed to, Ray?
Time for a change. Everyone needs a little break here. They look a little tired. They get it out of the zone, and they can get some fresh troops on the ice.
There's the whistle. Offside is the call.
Well, what a quick reflex stop that is. Great scoring chance.
Czech Republic's on total cruise control early in this third period. Hurdles won it, and now it's grabbed by Kempny. Steps into it, makes the save! Oh, and he tracks it perfectly in the offensive end!
Czech Republic's been able to control the middle of the ice because they're in the right position. They've intercepted pass after pass, and they're way out in front.
Great read, comes up with it! Tries to get it over to Verana. On the attack along the boards, and now he moves it to Kempny. Oh, they telegraphed the pass. pass, and he picks it off. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Team Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. Look out, a 2-on-1. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end. Right in front with the shot. Turns it away. And makes the save. That goes wide. Rocks him. Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. Kasha's got the puck. And now he tries to get it across to Palat. Just wide.
You don't get the puck dead center very often. He's got to capitalize.
You wonder if that'll come back to haunt them. Picks it off. Look out. From in close. Gets a stick on it to make the save. Here's a chance right out in front. Denies him again.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Denies him. Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Team Czech Republic's offense has been a thing to watch tonight as they lead it big time here early in the third. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. With possession along the wall. Here's the chance to set up now. Moves the puck down low. Nice feed from the boards. Big hit. Takes the feed at center. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. That's intercepted. He might have a step here. He's clear. Oh, what a save! And his goaltender's not going to like that one as he scores, putting it into his own net.
Oh, you know he's just trying to clear the puck away. He ends up rifling it past his own goaltender. Whether you're up or down, it doesn't matter. This one stings.
And they're going to change goalies.
He can't get over to the bench quick enough. Now he can get rid of that mask, throw in a ball hat, wrap a towel around his neck, and try and relax. This has been a rotten night for him.
Czech Republic's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
Quick feed to Ronick. And it's a quick pass to Faxa. Faxa's got it in the offensive zone. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Pass to Ronick. And now he angles it across to Faxa. We got a delayed call coming up here as the referee raises his hand. Boarding the call. Was it aggressive or just loud?
Sometimes I think it's just loud. It looks like a good hit a lot of times. Sometimes, though, you can just smell that's a penalty.
Power play unit going back to work.
James, when you have an average percentage on a power play like they do tonight, at times it can just suck the life out of your team. It's so up and down. They're looking for something good to happen here.
Answers the call with a big save. Trying to dump it out. And he's able to move the puck across the blue line. Trying to get loose on the breakaway. Oh, what a stop.
Goaltender comes up big, in good position to make the save.
Team Czech Republic's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Ronick's got it against the boards. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes the feed. Takes a blast. And that goes wide of everything.
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
And manages to clear the zone. Team Belarus has got a hold of it along the wall. And that one's stolen at center ice. Puck grabbed by Kempny. Moves behind the net. And he slides it quickly to Ronick.
Hansel's eyes are looking for three. He's got two in his back pocket. Dangerous player now.
A strong penalty-killing performance on that one as both teams are now back to even strength.
Well, they got through that one. Their penalty killing has just been average tonight, but they'll take that one and put it in the good column.
Along the half wall with the puck. Receives the pass. And now he moves it quickly to Voracek. Shot denied by the goaltender. Loves the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Just wide. Belarus will play it from behind the net. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. Czech Republic's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. Hurdles won the draw. Puck scooped up by Kempny. Standing tall with the save. Takes it across the blue line. Sends the pass over. Denies him on the play. Through center along the wing. And he feeds it down to Verana. Picks off the pass.
Yeah, forcing it a little bit. There's no need to when you got the lead.
Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Knocked away. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Slides the puck over. Here's a shot, and just a bit outside. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Moves it around along the half wall. Ahead us. He scores!
He drops into the butterfly to try and take away as much of the net as he can, but the shooter's got enough time to find some room. He sees it, and he doesn't miss.
Team Czech Republic's having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
Sends a pass over. Puts it in deep. Czech Republic's got the puck behind the net. Handles the puck. Takes the feed from off the wing. Comes up with the glove save. Team Czech Republic's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Verana's got it along the wing. Takes the pass. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. Czech Republic's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Puck picked up by Šimik. Comes up with the stop. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Over the line they come. On the attack along the boards. Into the corner of the attacking area. Taken by Zacha. Gaining momentum up along the side. Huge steal at his own end. Now he takes it over the line. Back to the point it goes. Here's a short pass to Pasternak. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Right in front. Fantastic save. And now it's over to Roenick. Takes the feed. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Taken along the wall by Šimik. Feeds the puck over to Pasternak. Voracek's going to play it against the half wall. Gets it to the other point. Quick pass to Šimik. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Roenick. Moves the puck.
They've totally controlled the puck here on this shift. Now they've worn the opposition down. Eventually, you get a scoring chance or they take a penalty.
Set it out in front. And that's broken up with a stick in front. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Here's a chance. Takes a shot. What a stop. Team Czech Republic's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Puts it to the front of the net. Slides the cross-ice pass. Gets a stick on it. Protects the puck around all sorts of danger. Moves it to Frolik. Pass right on the doorstep. Denies him in front.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close, he takes away any room.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Nice pass. Completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net.
Frolik's got the puck with the steal. Here they come on the attack. With possession along the wall. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Looks to set up at the point now. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Team Belarus is looking to break out of their own end. Takes the feed. Centering pass. Stops them with the glove.
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned, but he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice.
Czech Republic's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Zaka's carrying it ahead. And he slides it quickly to Palat. Blocker save. Oh, they force the turnover. This could turn into something. Putting the hard hat on here. What a hit. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Receives the pass. Knocked away. Big time stop. Maintains possession. He scores. No hold in a second here. They're saying no goal.
Immediately, this is waved off. This is not going to be a goal. This is waved off immediately, but the goal scorer's trying to sell the case to the official. I don't think it's going to work.
Well, and you can see the players looking up to the Jumbotron for a different perspective. Well, let's get a replay on this one. Play set to resume, and you can see they're still frustrated by that non-goal call. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Moves it quickly over to Verana. And mercifully, down just seconds left in this one.
In the third period.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Puts it on goal. And that one's turned away. Team Czech Republic's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Great chance in front. Denies them. And there's the whistle. Another opportunity to look up at the scoreboard again.
Yeah, unfortunately for the one team, it's not very good. This game does not need any more whistles.
Czech Republic's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. And he gains the zone here. Along the half wall with the puck. Sends the pass over. Carries it in. They've got numbers. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Slides the puck ahead into the neutral zone. Hurdles stick handling in his own zone. Here's an odd man rush. Sends it across. Gets in front of it. Team Czech Republic's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. Krejci's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Unloads from the blue line. And he says no! And we are all over with this one. Great, more shots, more offense, and they converted.
It dominated the game start to finish. You got a feel for the losing goaltender. He had to feel like he was at the end of a firing squad there.
On behalf of Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.